Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Salesforce Excellence. In today's session, we'll be trying to understand what is the use of formula fields in Salesforce. Okay, so first thing is, what is a formula field? It is a read-only field which automatically calculates values based on other fields in a record or related records. First thing here you have to observe is it is a read-only field. Read-only field means you cannot edit that field, and it is a formula field and it calculates the values based on other fields. Okay, and these formula fields you can use to perform some kind of calculations or manipulating the data. Okay, and let us see what are the to make you easily understand, I will take a general example from Excel. Okay, so you can see the image here. We are all familiar with Excel, whether technical or non-technical background. For the purpose of doing any calculations, for playing with numbers, we make use of Excel sheets. So this image I have taken from Salesforce SFBen. So image shows that you can easily understand some numbers I have displayed from in the A, B columns, and I want to calculate, I want to find out whether which number is odd and which is even. So for that purpose, you're all familiar that we can write formulas in Excel. Okay. Same purpose, maybe similar purpose, we can create formula fields in Salesforce also. Okay. I hope you understand the basic purpose of formula fields. Okay. So what are the other things we can do with the help of formula fields in Salesforce? Like these are the few uh, applications where we can use formula fields, like dividing the two numbers to create a percentage, calculating the number of days between two dates, creating a hyperlink, applying the discount to opportunity amount, and so on. Okay, so let us try to understand with a real-time example. Okay, let us move to our Salesforce platform. So I'm taking the same object, books. Okay, already you have seen the same example in the previous session. Now, in today's session, let us try to understand how to create a formula field, and I'll give you the scenario. Okay, for example, if you open any record, so in the previous session, you have seen so many number of fields. Okay, so can you tell me how I reduce the number of fields appear here? You can see only 1, 2, 3, 4 fields here. What about the remaining fields? Do you think that I have deleted all those fields? The answer should strike out in your mind. Yes, those fields are not deleted. They can be hidden by using the page layout. Okay, I have not deleted them. I just removed that from the page layout. Okay, now in today's session, what we are going to understand is already book price is also already there. Now I have to calculate the final price based on the discount. You can see here book price is 20,000 and I want to give the discount 10%. Okay, by calculating the discount or by applying the discount on the price, I need to show the final price of the book. Okay, so the requirement is kind of calculation, not just displaying some value. Okay, so these type of requirements where you have to perform some calculation based on value in other fields, in these kind of requirements you will make use of formula fields. Okay, so let us try to understand how to create. Again, click on the setup and then click on edit object. It will take you to the object manager page, and then here the fields and relationships, you have to create one field. Okay, Click on new. Already you know how to create a field. Now this time we are not creating a normal field. We are creating a formula field. This one. Can you see here? So you can read the description also. What is this one? A read-only field that derives the value from a formula expression that you define. Okay. So you select the data type as formula and then click on next. Give some field label like final book price. Okay. Tab. Automatically it will take the API name. And then here you have to mention what is the return type of the formula. Okay. So it will return the currency. Okay. Because we are applying the formula on the price, which is of type currency, it will return the currency value. It should return the currency value. Okay. Select the formula return type. What type of value it should return? Because the book price is of type currency, the return final price also should be currency only. Okay. Click on next. Now here you have to enter the formula. You can see enter your formula. Now you can see two tabs are there. Salesforce is providing two tabs. One is simple formula where you can make use of these operators. Okay. Another one is advanced formula where Salesforce is providing functions also along with operators. Okay. So we have to take this advanced formula and let us try to understand how to create a formula field here. So here insert the field on which field I have to apply the formula. Select this one, book price, right? Insert. Now you have to write the formula. What is the formula? Book price minus one more field you have to take here. What is that? Discount, right? Book price minus, again I can take this one. So book price minus book price into discount. Okay. It means the value which is there in the parenthesis, it will return the discount value which I am subtracting from the actual price. Finally, you will get the discounted price. Clear? Now check the syntax. So once you click on the syntax, if there are any errors in the formula, it will show the error here. Okay. It is saying no syntax errors. Okay. You can provide the description also, like calculating discount, like that. Okay. So it is a simple mathematical formula, nothing related to any complex logic of Salesforce. Okay. It is a normal formula. If you have the basic mathematical knowledge, you can easily understand. To calculate the discount, you have to subtract the value in this way, right? So once it is done, click on next. Make it visible for all the profiles. Okay. And one more thing you have to observe here is it is read only. Okay. Next. It will be added to the layout. Save. Now let us go to this page. Refresh. Got it? You can see here final book price. 10% of the book price is 20,000. If you give 10,000 discount, then what will happen? 10% of 20,000 is 2,000 and 2,000 is subtracted from 20,000. Finally, it is 18,000. If you do any kind of change, if you give 5% discount, then click on save. Automatically, the value here is changing. Understood? If you change the value here, if you give 50% discount, then the final book price will be 10,000. So from this you have to understand formula field is used to create a formula which will take the value from the other fields. Okay, and that too it is read only. You cannot do, you can see here pencil icon is displaying for all these fields, but it is not coming here. Why? Because it is a read only field. You cannot edit the value in this field, and the value in this field is calculated based on the values from the other fields. Clear? So thank you very much. In today's session, we have understood the purpose of formula fields, how to create a formula field, and then how to use it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.